Advantages of stem cell therapy. Number one and most important is it is not a surgery. It is a non-invasive or minimally invasive procedure. Number three, it is taken from your own body, so chances of rejection are almost zero. The stem cells are useful in stage 1, stage 2 arthritis and stage 1, stage 2 avascular necrosis. Stem cells proliferate and develop into cartilage or bone, so stem cell therapy basically causes healing of arthritis or avascular necrosis. So stem cell therapy is minimally invasive and it leads to healing of the underlying ailment such as arthritis or avascular necrosis. These are the main advantages of stem cell therapy, and chances of infection are very less, and it is a non-operative procedure. Thank you.